So we are very happy with the final delivered product, and definitely I will recommend Inkstone Infra to all my friends and relatives in Bangalore.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm in one of our completed project in JP Nagar, and with my client Prakash sir and Premilata ma'am, I would like to know their experience working with Inkstone Infra. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, working with Inkstone Infra has been a pleasure. Yes, there have been some ups and downs, but ultimately the final product we are highly satisfied.
Thank you.
Okay, here's an interesting story on how we selected Siddharth and his team. The first YouTube video I opened, it was from Inkstone Infra. So I directly made a call to Siddharth, and within 1 hour, Siddharth was at my home. And surprisingly, he just went around the kitchen, took measurements, and gave me an estimate, precise estimate, within 15 minutes. I was surprised. How did you do that? He said, we have a lot of experience. We know exactly what needs to be done and how much it would cost the client. And that was impressive. And when speaking to some people, you can make out what is their character. So I did not need any references. I did not need to visit his place. In fact, I think I am one of the first clients of his who came to him without any reference, without even seeing his office place, which he himself told me later that he was surprised that I never visited his place. Okay. And I told him, yeah, I am a good judge of character. So I liked the way you spoke and the way you conducted yourself professionally. So that is how, and that risk paid off. Yes, we have got a quality product. The kitchen is beautiful, exactly the way we wanted it. So I think Siddharth, you have done a good job.
Thank you,
sir. You and your team, especially Shweta, and right now she is not with us, and Divya.
Yes. Thank you.
And their team of carpenters and fabricators, or those who work on tiles and all that, they have done an exceptionally good job. The painter also, okay, all decent people,
Thank you, sir.
and delivered on time.
Whatever I had to say has been told by my husband. So my opinion is, I wanted some comforts in the kitchen. So everything is met. All the needs are met.
Looking forward to working with you.
Thank you,
always.
sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.